Weather coverage you can count on with Chief Meteorologist Kate McKenna and the Wave 31 Storm Tracker Early Warning Radar Network.
The clouds have rolled in, the wind is picking up, and we're starting to see a couple of showers here on the Wave 31 Storm Tracker Early Warning Radar Network. It's not heavy rain right now, and a lot of this is still struggling to reach the ground. But if you look at the wider view again, notice that there's more where this is coming from in the sense that there's a couple more waves here of showers trying to push towards North Alabama. So as we go through tonight, I mentioned this earlier, but the moisture in the atmosphere is going to increase, and we will see light showers become steadier rain as we get into our Wednesday. All of this slowly but surely starting to shift a little bit eastward as well, not just moving from south to north. Look just toward the top of your screen there, a little bit of snow showing up, but winter weather, I reiterate, is not heading our way and in any capacity that's going to make a big impact on us. Temperatures right now, 54 degrees. It's a mostly cloudy sky. Look at the wind out of the east-southeast, 13 miles per hour. I can hear the wind up here on Montesano. Gusts in higher elevations are already exceeding 20 miles per hour. The wind is going to continue to pick up. It will be really ramping up tomorrow. As we go from start to finish on our Wednesday, 7 a.m., 52 degrees, 70% chance for showers. Rain sticking around all day long. Not to say that it's going to pour rain all day. There will be some breaks here and there. It's just going to be generally wet and windy. Temperatures for this time of year still on the milder side of things, closer to the 60-degree mark for an actual high temperature. But remember, we're also dealing with this wind. Look at what we're expecting with forecast wind gusts. Tomorrow morning, 7 a.m., gusting over 30 miles per hour in many locations. As we go past now all the way through the morning into Thursday morning, this is a little bit of a break in between. We see the wind die a little bit, and then it ramps back up here in advance of our next cold front when it's finally going to move through and shut out all of this rain. We are looking at still gusts exceeding 30 miles per hour Thursday morning through the first part of the afternoon. Here's future radar to show you how the showers increase in coverage over the next several hours all the way through 6 a.m. That's a pretty damp start to the day, especially along and west of I-65. Going through the rest of the morning, now stopping this at noon. Pockets of heavier rain starting to develop. And as we get into 5 o'clock, this is new data coming in, and this is pretty wet for your evening drive, especially for areas still west of I-65. This is 5 o'clock tomorrow evening. Wet through tomorrow night. There's 10 o'clock all the way into Thursday morning. We can get a little bit of a break by early Thursday, but watch what happens as the cold front approaches. The rain just continues to ramp up ahead of this cold front. The wind is up as well. We're not expecting anything in the way of severe weather, but you can hear a few rumbles of thunder, and finally the front will have cleared the area by Thursday night, and we can see that chance for a little brief period of wintry mix here on the backside of the rain. But again, I don't think that that's going to cause us any travel concerns or anything in that nature. Temperatures just a degree or two too warm. In total, 3 to 4 inches of rain for a large chunk of North Alabama. Farther toward the east, we're looking at 2 to 3 inches. And that's the reason why flooding is going to be a concern, especially as the ground saturates through the day tomorrow. Once we're still adding heavy rain on top of that on Thursday, flash flooding is going to be a possibility. And then we're going to be watching for all that runoff, river rises, stream rises on Friday. Temperatures as we get into the weekend, of course, that cold front comes through Thursday night. We're down into the lower 40s for highs on Friday at best. We'll be right back.